konka Mr Life kaba kanonshemeza
mwana kanoma kegera y'ukunda
bakana no mama cyana nyine nkunda munonga
kweli
nkunda
mazima nyubwo ni bra na wataraganga ni basa no butari
serious
nabwo ndeba nageze sha obu wachuge mtawuni nataka basa no kubasa kufuata nabwo nkamfundisa obe João mwe kanda tunogo ariko ntera katsene la ango
kandi biyonye byatandukana
Hello. Yes, darling. I'm good. How are you, honey? Yes, I missed you too, darling. Exactly. So how have you been? Oh, that's a nice one. What? Oh, darling, I'll be the best in the world. Oh yeah, you're coming when? On Sunday. Okay, baby, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, don't worry. No, honey, I don't have anyone else. I swear to God, for heaven's sake, how can I cheat you, baby? Come on, trust me. I only have you. You are my life. You're my love. You're my everything. I can't cheat on you. I swear to God. Are you serious, baby? You want to marry me? Oh, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh my God. I'll tell the whole world you want to marry me, baby. I'll surely be there, baby. Okay. I was also doing something. Let me first accomplish and then I'll come back to you. Okay, that's my boat. Bye.
konga mchana zako maana uzasumu norogota Just tell us mezungu tumaisa mzungu rogote
Ni wa yabara uncle